Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday. If you're with me here in the Discord, in the YouTube, or in the X chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. We have Frank July Peppers, National Fat Guy Shelly, Big Sky Robino, Retberg, Cyrus Luna, Skyclad Man, Ethan Hi-Ho. What's up? We also have Billy Joe, Trader Page, G-Lines, Mike, Ripsmod, Sarl double RC, good morning. Spastric Dan, good morning. Apple Trader, McGruff, Cheese Chaser, Dabba Deep, Phoenix Moneymaker Aspiration, Richard Harris in the building, Skunked Ape, Crypto Trades, Tampa Trades, Brom B, TRU. Good morning to you, Eddie O, DM, Michael Laxton, David, Perry, Paolo, 8 Mile, Clarence, Ron, Red Clay, Jose, TJP, Luis, Rude Boy. Good morning, Brian. Good morning, Bendy, Mr. Dio Leo, the Olio. Good morning. What's up, Noah, AS, Ray, Justin, Josh, Steven, Nerd Herd, Ray U, Vito, Coco, Yakov, all the 8s, Living Like Chess, Buffalo Bill, Shanti, Joyce, CEO Cruz, HD, Killer Kyle, Alexander, Anita Lowe. I remember you. What's up? What's happening? AMD 61 or R&D. My bad. What's happening? We got a couple things cooking here. We have, if you didn't know already, a big giveaway today. Very big giveaway, actually. We are giving away the original giveaway. What's up, Hi-Ho? Original giveaway was on this tweet over here. Let's see if I can bring this up. Where is it? There it is. Good evening, everyone. I'm thinking of giving away one lucky viewer a full pack of 20 Apex accounts, any size. Any account size. They give you 150Ks, 300Ks, 50Ks, whatever. On tomorrow's Friday live stream. That's today. That's right now. Because I wrote this yesterday. So tomorrow is today now. Kind of cool how that works. So you can copy trade 20 accounts. If you're interested, just like this post, comment why you should be the winner, and if we get to 100 likes before tomorrow's 8 a.m. stream, I will do it. Unfortunately, we did not hit the like. Just kidding. We got 605 likes on this post. Holy smokes. Yeah, wow. So it looks like you're forcing my hand here. You're really forcing my hand here. So looks like I have to give away a full 20 pack of Apex accounts. You know me, I really don't like to do giveaways or anything like that. So in lieu of that, you know, I decided the giveaways go for launch. Okay, spoiler. I decided to do 2 winners. Whoa. So we're gonna actually have 2 people today. 2 people that are gonna win each a 20 pack of accounts. That's 40 accounts in total. So each person is going to win a 20 pack of accounts. Why am I doing this? Because it's Friday, baby. Now, if you win these accounts, don't trade them today. It's a very crazy day, and we're going to get into that, of why it's such a crazy day today and why it's so crazy to trade. But the way that I'm going to do this is very simple. I'm going to link this tweet if you missed it. But just right here, go to that tweet and just drop a reply. If you drop more than 1 reply, it won't increase your chances to win. So only just drop 1 reply on that. Like it and drop a reply. And then we're gonna do the tweet picker is gonna pick somebody automatically. And then for the second one, I'm thinking we could just do the old school way that we do a drawing in here, which is like we have a keyword. You know, you pick a keyword, And then we do it. Or, I mean, we can go through all 335 comments one by one and pick out who's the best one. The good news about this is that I actually am going to be doing another giveaway next week. I know, right? Crazy. And it's probably going to be for another 20 pack of accounts. I know. It's crazy, right? So, if you don't win today, don't worry. Uncle Ripsy Hustle's got you. Next week is going to be fun. We finally get through all the expiration of all of these contracts today. You don't have Twitter? Well, we'll just do the regular drawing for the second 20 pack. It is free to get Twitter. It does take about 30 seconds to sign up for an account. Just saying. Quote or repost qualifies a reply. Just the replies. That's how this works. Just the replies. But yeah, like I said, if you miss out on today's giveaway, which we're giving away 2 people, if you miss out on that, don't worry. We'll have one next week. We're always doing fun stuff over here. Kyle says, Rips just passed the 300K account and 8,000 up after 2 days. Dude, nice. Hey Rips, how many points do you keep your stop loss? It's dependent on the structure of the trade that I'm trading. I mean, there can be a trade that if I'm, let's just say I'm taking it short here, right? It'd be sick entry. Maybe you have your stop here, part of the structure, or here. This is the 15-minute bars, so we can probably get more granular. Let's go to the 5-minute. But let's just say, like, you know, you're short over this. Maybe your stop is somewhere like top of that, which would get stopped out. Top of that. It's got to make sense. You know, it's got to make sense within the structure. But one of the easiest things to do is just set an 80 tick stop in the NASDAQ and then move it immediately to a piece of the structure. So that's usually what you're looking for. 80 tick stop is kind of where you want to put it on, but move it to an area of the structure that makes sense and have your entry make sense with regards to the structure. Structural based stops are always going to be the best, in my opinion. Let's see here. Rips, is quad witching less impactful than it used to be because of 0 DTE? No. And I do want to talk about it. I just want to wait for more people to get in, because if I talk about it right now, 20 minutes from now, somebody's going to say, hey, Rips, hey, did you know that it's quad witching today? And I'm going to say, yeah, we just talked. I should have waited, right? You copy a trade. Who are you copying? Me. I'm copying myself. I'm copying my own accounts. I trade 20 accounts at once in Apex, 5 accounts at once in Tradeify. And those are the only 2 firms that I've been trading in the last 2 weeks. So, I'm copying myself. I have a leader account, and those leader accounts are copied to a follower account. Jeff says, hey, Ribs, it's quad witching day today. No way. Is it really? No kidding. Got to try TPT soon. I finally got a payout. Give it up for Reg in the building. Probably wondering who sends you the signals for entry. You know, this guy up here sends me the signals that I take. We are pushing back up. We are at the VWAP and the S&Ps here, so this could be interesting. I'm kind of thinking about jumping into something here. I'm gonna switch over to my Apex accounts. We do take something. This is a very topping area. We did run into this start to reject. We could rinse right back down. Ron says, I'm trying to take the evals slow. I'm like 4 to 5 days green with about 350 to 700. And then there's one day where I blow this stuff. How can I mentally stop trading? Find a platform that will allow you to lock out. I know Top Step allows you to lock out. I don't know if there's any other ones that do. But if that's your biggest issue, I would try to find a way to lock out, so using a platform like Top Step. But here's the deal. This is a really cool piece of kit that you can use right here. I'm going to link this in chat for you. This is for Ron, right there. Get Cold Turkey. It's a free piece of software, and you can actually lock yourself out of your stuff. So that way you don't get yourself into any kind of trouble. You know what I mean? And if you're not getting yourself into any trouble, then you're probably going to do okay, if that's your biggest problem. How's trading Apex been going? It's been going pretty well. This is the third set since I started trading them. We had one set of 50Ks, and we had some confusion in the chat about what the drawdown rules were. So I blew those because of that. The second set, we blew just because of bad trading. And this is our third set that we're on right now. And we are at 155,300 in those. So we are $3,700 away from passing in each account. So a couple more days, maybe one day, probably not one day, maybe 2 to 3 days more of trading. We'll get those passed, which I'm excited about. So this is the third time. But, you know, honestly, I feel like giving ourselves a little bit of leeway on this one, just because we were bogged down with tons of misinformation the first time we tried these, like what the drawdown was supposed to be. I had full drawdown on all of my accounts the first round, and there's like a bunch of people in chat were talking about like, oh no, you don't have any drawdown left. And it's like, what are you talking about? Could have passed those things. They were only 50Ks, but it is what it is. We move on, you know? Is what it is. Apex, the thrill of 20 has been fun watching you navigate the 20 pack. Most importantly, play Bob today. Yeah, I would love to play copyrighted music on stream, but you just can't. They actually restrict the stream in certain countries if you play copywritten music, which is annoying. Stevie Trade says, finish the week plus 1,700. May seem small amount to some, but that was my monthly salary in my country. Give it up for Steven. We have a short about this that floats around on the internet from time to time, but don't compare your journey to somebody else's. It's all relative. You have to understand, like, the amount of money that, let's just say that you make like $200,000 in a single trading day. That's like peanuts compared to somebody else out there. Promise you. Make $1 million in a day. Not even close to what some PM did with their big old donkeys. I'm not gonna go there, but I'm just saying it's all relative. $20 is a lot of money to somebody. 2,000 is a lot to somebody. 20,000 lots to somebody. 200,000 lots to somebody. Everything's relative, right? So just focus on your own journey. Don't worry about I only made X. Mitsu says, I hated tonight blowing 2 accounts, 1 XFA. I'm sorry, man. Sorry to hear that. Red Clay says, Ribs, how did you get over the fear of sizing up and holding trades? If you did, you just have to have time and experience in the market. Stop worrying about every single result that comes out in the market, you know? If you worry about every single little trade, you're going to give yourself analysis paralysis. You're going to be fearful of taking any trades. It's just the way that the business goes. You have to get used to losing. You have to expect to lose. One of the things that I used to do when I traded options, traded a lot of options. We traded in the market Clubhouse. We traded a lot of options for about a year and a half. We were focused on day trading 0 DTs in the SPY because you have 0 DTs every single day in the SPY. Similar to futures, but you're trading where the puck is going, not where the puck is currently. That's the difference between futures and options. Futures, you get the here and now price. Options, you get the hey, maybe. Options, you're trading the velocity and speed of a move. The frequency, velocity. There's different factors that come into trading that. And it's a much different trade than trading futures. But you just get kind of used to it. And with options, one of the things that helped me was that I put on a trade and I just expect 0. And that's because, you know, an options contract most of the time will expire at 0 unless, you know, it doesn't. But if you expect 0 in an options trade, whatever you're putting into that contract, whatever price you're paying for the contract, you expect that to go to 0. So that is kind of like your mental stop loss on that. Futures a little bit different. You put on a trade, but you have a mental stop loss. right? The biggest loss that I took in this account, my personal brokerage account that I've been sharing with everybody on X, Instagram, and here on the stream, the biggest loss that I have was like an $18,000 loss. I think it's my biggest loss in that account. And I shared that publicly. And of course, all of the trolls came out. Everybody's telling me I can't trade. I'm the worst trader on planet Earth. Great, wonderful. But I had a stop loss on that trade, an actual physical stop loss. I think for about $10,000, $12,000 on that trade. But I had slippage. Was I upset that I lost $18,000? Yes, but not for the reason you think. I was upset because I didn't want to have a losing trade. I wasn't upset that I lost $18,000. Even though my stop loss was at $10,000 to $12,000 in that trade, I knew that I'm running a risk that it could blow through my stop. Heck, I could have had a $40K loss on that trade. It's very unlikely, but mentally I had prepared myself for when I put on that trade. You just have to get used to the idea that we're putting on risk and we're not putting on a guarantee. And if you're in a rush to size up, you're probably going to get blasted pretty crazily. But the fear evaporates when you prove to yourself that you can consistently put on whatever your relative sizing is. You can consistently put on that size of trade and be mentally okay with it, right? If you're putting on trades and you're terrified of the result immediately, you're probably sized up too much. At the end of the day, trading is really cool because if you can prove that you can size into a trade at a relative size that's not too big, but still makes sense, if you could do that consistently, when you graduate from that phase, all you're doing is changing the size of your trade. The markets that we're trading have so much liquidity in them, and most of the people watching are trading in prop firms on sim funded, where your orders aren't actually hitting the tape. But at the end of the day, all you're doing is just changing a figure in your formula. So if you're used to trading a 1 lot, you're doubling your size by going to 2 lots. Nothing's actually changing in your trading process, right? Except for the fact maybe you're scaling in and out because now you're using multiple lots. But the point is that if you can trade well on smaller size relative to what you're usually trading, you can do that consistently. Your salary increase comes from just changing one figure in that formula. And if you can keep your head level mentally, you're going to double your salary essentially, right? Rips, TradeEvade has built-in risk settings that will liquidate you and lock you out. Cool. I didn't know that TradeEvade had lockout settings. That's awesome. Very cool. How was poker? I'm playing today. That episode that aired yesterday was from January. And I think I ended up being, I think I lost about $15,000 in that game. Something around that. Because I was in for $145,000. It was frustrating because I had a really good read on somebody and they were so nitty that they didn't call. And it's like, basically they could be pushed off any hand. But tonight's episode that's airing is going to be a good one. I'm not going to be able to watch it because I'm taking my wife out to dinner, but that's going to be going on at 8 p.m. Eastern, 5 p.m. Pacific on Poker Go or whatever. I think if you have DirecTV, there's a Poker Go channel. If you have, there's a couple different networks that carry the Poker Go channel. YouTube has it as well. But that's going to be on. It's actually a pretty good episode. I think I can't talk about it. It's a good episode. It's a good episode. Let's see. Catching up with questions here. Setting a daily loss limit and option on TradeEvade because mostly when I'm down like more than 650, I crash out. I don't know. That'd be a good question. Rips, do you know how the payouts work on Tradeify? I was on the site and I don't know, minimum for 150K is 3K, but nothing about max withdrawal. They have a whole payouts table on their website. So if you go into the payout section, there's a whole table that tells you what you can take out and then get moved to live. Leah says, Rips, question, 20 Apex accounts is a chance of a lifetime for some, so thankful for the opportunity, but would that include the activation fees too? No, it's just the first month is free. So if you pass those in 1 month, you don't have to pay anything. If you pass them, you do have to pay an activation fee. But it's for the first month is free. It's all relative, just like the... Original Jeff says, I'm over 100K a year, and to me, 1,700 a week out of trading is an amazing amount. There you go. What's one discipline rule you recommend to succeed Apex payout so that my pay requests don't get denied? Trade consistently. Don't flip-flop your trading style throughout your trading period. I believe it's only 8 days of trading now to get a payout. 8 trading days, I believe. So just trade consistently. Don't trade like the game of it. Respect the trailing drawdown. Have something that shows you what your trailing drawdown is. But just trade well and trade responsibly. Trade with discipline. Trade consistently. Rips, I was impressed with the Tradeify dashboard that you displayed. Can you display the Apex dashboard? I don't know that they have anything similar to what you're talking about for Tradeify. Do you ever have trades that literally immediately go against you and stop out? Sure, yes. Just means my entry wasn't a good entry, or there's some market information that I didn't read well and getting taken out because of it. But it's better to stop out instead of holding and hoping, right? There's some trades where you have such a tight stop loss when you open them up. It's good to get stopped out almost immediately. Finally got my first payout from Apex, surprisingly quick, and customer service was good. Been using the wealth-based platform. Nice, very good. Let's see, how many minis would you trade on a 50K account? I would just use micros if I'm trading a 50K account. It's probably better to use micros. One trade per day, max rule with 2 to 3 micros until you can do this for 1 week, then size up. I like that. Hey, Rose, what's in your chat VIP? Emojis. And you get a green name and you get 10x the luck on giveaways. Here's what the emojis look like. Boop. There you go. I'm gonna start small on my 450K Apex PAs, trying to make at least 200 on each one. Yeah, just take it super slow. There's no rush. The more you rush it, the harder it's gonna be. Promise you. Let's see here. Does Tradeovate have Pine script, and will it execute trades? Anyone know? I don't think so. I'm pretty sure it does not. Pine script is on TradingView, as far as I'm aware. A lot of times I cut my trades, especially when I had, say, let's say 40 ticks, and then the market makes a sharp move against me. I just instinctively flatten the trade. It's my biggest problem. Try to stop doing it. Take your hand off the mouse. Let it come to your stop. Put your stop in and let the stop do the work. Don't worry about the movement of the market. What's for dinner tonight? We're going to the Fontainebleau. One of the newer hotels here. Going to a lovely, lovely steakhouse. CAD retail sales. Yeah, that's coming out in 90 seconds here. I don't think it's going to move the markets all that much, but let's see. Oops, that's my drawing tool. I have to move that. There we go. Do you ever have trades immediately go against you and you were never in profit at all? Yeah, all the time. Hey, Ribs, how much profit can you take out on a payout on Tradeify? $3,000 for the 150K straight to funded. I know that because those are the ones I'm trading. Any of the payout rules are easily found on their website with a nice clean table. It's very, very simple. Let's see here. Just catching up on all these questions. Good morning, Andreas. How are you? Apex is the only reason I've taken payouts. Their rules were what my system was missing. That's cool. A lot of people don't realize that, but like props are kind of Miyagiing you. By Miyagiing, I'm talking about like Karate Kid. Wax on, wax off. They're teaching you good rules. I'm telling you. Everybody wants to like rush through props. 30 seconds, by the way, till the news. Everyone wants to rush through these props, and it's like, dude, let the props teach you to be a better trader. What's up, G-Trader? See you on X over there. When is Cracking taking over Ninja? They might not do anything. They might just be the new holders of the company and not change anything. We'll see. I mean, Ninja Trader is so antiquated at this point, the software. It would be cool to see like a whole engineering team come through and refresh, but I just, like, you'd have to start from scratch. There's probably so much spaghetti code in there. Coders know what I'm talking about. Like, imagine, like, repurposing NinjaTrader at this point. Can you imagine, like, going through and, like, trying to use that code? A lot of, it would be spaghetti code, in my opinion, I think. Let's see here. NinjaTrader is the best platform IMO. When you really get to know it, it's awesome. It's the most user-friendly thing, but it's superior. I used to use NinjaTrader all the time. I'm using Tradeovate, which NinjaTrader owns, and the reason why is because of the speed of the trade copier. Set the code on fire and start with a clean slate. I think that's probably the best move if they're going to make a whole new thing. Goolsby is on CNBC right now. He says, uncertainty means we must wait for things to clear up. This is on CNBC right now. Wow. Hey Rips, what's your daily max drawdown for a 150K account? I average around 300 to 500 profit a day, but still struggle to find my max daily loss where I stop for the day. If your profit target is like $500 for the day, I would say like your max daily loss should be like 200 to 400 bucks, somewhere in that range, and trade the micros if you're trading that size. David says, hey Rips, can I participate in giveaways? I don't have any social media, but I do have this YouTube and Discord. It's gonna be tough. I would just make an X account real quick. It's free. The code is just kindergarten. Yeah, I don't know about that. We are coming down a little bit more here. We did break that structural prior higher low, but makes me wonder if we're actually going to break through like the 770 area. Can you copy trade between prop firm accounts and broker accounts? I'm sure you can. I just don't do it. It's not that us coders want. I want to use a language like Python with no restrictions. PineScript or customized language stuff is ridiculous. Yeah, Python is goated. Market bids are very lackluster. Good morning, Josh. Goolsby doesn't know anything. Yeah. He is a voting member, though. We have to respect that. And when he does speak, the market does move. Do I think Tesla will ever recover? Yes. I do. If it was a normal day, I'd held that short exit at 20 points. Yeah, it's very tricky. Anybody know what day it is today? Besides it being Friday. I mean, this is an easy question. Triple witching day, thank you. And you said it the right way. 3 dubs. Triple witching, yeah. Stop calling it quad witching, everybody. Can't stand people just can't. There's no single stock option futures anymore. Or stock futures, single stock futures. There's no single stock futures anymore. So cut it out with the quad witching. It's triple witching. Now, do you know what unique? What unique? You know what unique? You know what is unique about today's triple witching? Does anybody actually know about today's specifically? Come on, it's crazy. It is the quarter ending, as it is on every triple witching. It's crazy though. Triple witching is always gonna have the rollover, always gonna be, it's not the Rips game. I'm not trying to be cheeky here. James is onto it. Yup. This is the highest in recorded history. The highest notional value of expiries ever in history. You know what sucks? I'm going to be playing Bellagio today at 10 a.m. Today's final hour might be one of the craziest hours that you've ever seen. Or not. It has the opportunity to be one of the craziest hours, final hours. And if you think that the final hour is crazy, wait until the final 10 minutes, then the final 5 minutes, then the final 2, then the final 1. This could be literally one of the most insane closes you've ever seen in your life. Up or down. I don't know which way. If I did, then I'd stay here and I'd make $1 billion. I really would. I have no idea up or down. Nobody does. Everybody's like, oh, well, puts are expiring. Well, to release that, we have to have hedging, and that's going to create people buying because they have to close those puts positions. We have, you know, it doesn't work like that, unfortunately. I wish it did. And then if the market closes up like 600 points, you're going to say, Rips, I knew it. It was going to go up. But here's the deal. I'm not going to be trading it. I'm not going to be trading it because I'm going to be playing poker, but it's also going to keep me out of trouble. I've had an extraordinary month trading my own personal brokerage account, my personal streaming brokerage account. So it's been a good month, and I don't want to rock the boat on that. I might pull up my phone at the poker table to see. But there is a big opportunity for the final hour of the market to be one of the wildest final hours that we've seen in quite some time. Now, I've seen some very crazy power hours. I've seen some final 10 minutes where the NQ literally is whipping up and down 200-300 points. We are coming lower here. S&Ps could break these lows here. I'm always optimistic on stuff like this, but part of me saying it's triple witching today is probably thinking we're going to ping pong right back up. So congratulations to anybody who caught that short on the previous 4-hour mid. What time does the closing begin? That's at 3 p.m. Eastern, 12 p.m. Pacific time. Wow, there's that break. If this is actually going to break lower on this below the S&Ps, I kind of want to follow this lower, but I'm waiting for a bounce now. I was just worried that it's going to ping pong right back up. Let's see. Let's see, shall we? If we did break these 50s, I'm going to try this short. If we break these 50s, it could go lower. If not, I have to step out of this thing. The 50 break is an extreme break because we can target like 35s to the downside here. But let's see. S&Ps are at a huge inflection point. Big old inflection point here. Chances are we're going to ping pong at these 50s, but you know me. I'm a breakout trader. I like seeing these numbers get sliced much lower. So testing on these 50s, let's see if we tap on through. Target would be 35 to the downside if we break this. Yep, there we go. Hello. 35's in sight. We just took it. Got to be wary of a bounce here, of course. If we bounce up to like 50s, we can definitely try to add something here. We did tag almost 35s directly on the ticket here. We're like at that huge inflection point in the S&Ps as well. So if this thing does go, it's going to go heavy. Like heavy, heavy. Even though that was pretty heavy already. Let's see, let's see. Goolsby saying all sorts of optimistic things now. Okay, let's see if we reject these 50s. If we do, want to add to this, targeting again that 35 sweep. He's saying rates are going to be lower in 12 to 18 months. That's probably not what the market wants to hear. So let's see if we reject at these 50s now. And we are at that huge inflection point in the S&Ps, of course. Watching them walk this back up to these 50s here. This is such a huge area in the S&Ps. Monster area. Okay, I'm going to try adding to this and aiming for 35s off the lows here. See if we can get through 35 and then crush these 30s. Goolsby saying we need as much data as possible. That's usually what they do say. I want to see this rejecting these 50s, not taking them. we do have room all the way up to like 67 as well. Okay, adding for that sweep below 40s now. Beauty. And there it is. That's all I wanted. Bingo. So that's copy trade across 20 Apex accounts. I want to hold it, but I also don't. The thing is, I can't hold it because we're dealing with a trailing drawdown. So that's going to put us up there. What is that? $17,914. Hey. Anybody else see anything similar that I was looking at there on that trade? Anybody? It's cutting lower now, isn't it? Cutting way lower. I'm actually gonna see if we have anything. I think I got a reflex here. If you did catch that trade, do me a favor. I just want to see the temperature of the room right now. If you did catch something similar to that, go ahead and drop a W in chat. Let's see if we have any W's here. Be honest though, if you did catch it, just drop a W. Holy crap. Jeez. Okay then. Yahtzee. Let's go, baby.
Headshot.
I love it. All right, 700 tests coming in. Nice. Done for the day. I love to hear that. Sick. That was a nice little melt there. S&Ps did break below. Now we're at the next inflection point in the S&Ps here. Trading 56.73, which I can't believe. Remember when we were trading 6,000 in this thing? So we took that from 50 to the 30s. That was the goal there. Stop was at 70. So 50 to 30s on that trade. Got us a nice little 17,000 bagger there. Nice work, everybody. Yeah, S&Ps could have easily bounced there too, which is why you have to manage your risk on a trade like that. We did eat a little bit of red. I think we went red on that, I think about 80 to 100 bucks. So nice little risk reward there. On that, I did use a market order to enter. Yes. I'm thinking we could do the giveaway at the top of the hour. How does that feel for everybody here? You folks want to do the first winner of those 20 Apex accounts right around the top of the hour? How does that feel? I think that's fair. Gives everybody enough time to kind of get in here. Tried to limit order in on that last drop in Vista Fill. Market was needed for how fast that dropped. Yeah, it's tough when you're using limit orders and the market's moving very, very quickly. So this is sort of a precarious area of the market now. Let's go to the 10-second chart here so you can see what I'm talking about. I do think that we might sweep lower, but the scoop up could be violent back up to the 60s. So I just want to be patient. Again, huge inflection point in the S&Ps here. It is likely we're going to slam through 700s, but I just want to chill for a little bit, let this market cook. Watching here at 700s what happens. Yeah, there's your break of 700s. S&Ps did just break lower too. So we are seeing that sort of evaporate. The way that the market's trading this morning, I would be pretty hard pressed to think that we don't have a big, enormous bounce at some point today. Like, and I'm talking huge. Yeah, I might try the Tradeify accounts since I don't have to worry about a trailing drawdown on this move. I switch over to Tradeify here, just so you know. That's why the P&L is back to 0. Watching on this pushback up here. S&Ps are in the middle of that earlier chop range that they had back on Tuesday. So, gonna be interesting to see. It is Goolsby who's talking right now. He's not saying very many good things for the market. I'll tell you that. Yeah, we are looking to push into these 700s and a retest of these 700s. I don't know if we're gonna get it. I'm gonna try another short here in my Tradeify accounts. I would like to see this up and over 700 so I can actually add into a pop. But I don't think we're gonna get that opportunity. Yeah, let's see. Okay, here's a pop back into 700s. This is definitely welcome for me. Let's see. We have room up to the 20s again. Try to layer and add. Okay, adding right there. See if we break and hold this 700 break. This is in our Tradeify accounts now. Watching for the break below 700. I want to see all that liquidity evaporating on those bids at 700. Nobody's selling into it yet, but there is some offer side defense. Watching for the break of 700s. Something about data. Goolsby yapping about data right now. We have room all the way back up to these 20s, but we could break 700 back down first. It's whichever comes first. Add at 720 or add for the flush of 700s here. It's either one. A lot of people are filling their short covers at 700, which makes a lot of sense. But if we break that, we have room. So watching. Still looking pretty heavy, and the S&Ps are kind of dictating what the move is. Still shorts covering here. I need to slice through these bids because there's so many shorts covering there. We're not pushing up with fury, which is good. Right back to this sort of point of control area. Okay, saving my ads here for if we push up to 20. It's 20 or 700 evens, whichever one comes first. Testing fives, perhaps. Depends on how many people are still trying to cover. They're short here. Okay, watching here at these 20s. Watching for first rejection at 20s on this slow grind back up. Okay, there's your 20 tag. Let's see if we tap and roll. And we should tap below 10s here. I need to see this breaking this 10 area, because this is the area where we're going to have a lot of bids stacking up. So we need to snap below this. Right there. Very close to the snap. And let's get this 700 test on the tape. Don't like this hesitation. Give me that little perk into 700s and we go. Ah, so dicey right there. I want to see that roll into 700s. Clean roll. $702 being defended. Do I have to come out of this? Oh, good defense. Good defense there. Beautiful. Okay, taking a couple out here. I don't know if we're going to get that flush into 700 I want. I'm going to just take it off. Whatever. They hesitated too long at those 705s, and we're getting so close to 9 a.m. that we could pop right into this 20s. Yeah, there's a 700 flush. It was just too much of a hesitation there between 702 and 710, so I had to take that down. So, whatever. It's annoying, right? But we managed it well. We said we're gonna wait for the 20s for the ads. See, there's a pop. That's the pop I'm worried about, right? There's that pop I'm worried about. But look, we stuck to our trade plan, right? We said if it gets up to the 20s, that's where we're gonna hold for our ads. We could have added at 10s, 15s, and been impatient, but we just have to be waiting there, right? We just have to be waiting, because if that lick is up at 20s, that's gonna bring our average so much higher, and it actually gives us a fighting chance, because now our profit targets move to 700, 705s. That's why you want to be patient with your ads, right? Be very patient with your ads. If anybody caught that, I don't know if anybody did. Follow-up trade there. W's in chat if you did catch that. That's a little bit trickier. You have to be able to kind of like, you know, be a little bit careful and stuff like that, right? We are 7.5 minutes away from the giveaway, folks. And market's still too choppy. I'm thinking about a follow-up trade here, but yeah, still a little bit too choppy. So, hey, whatever. That's what is that? $2,000 bucks? $2,000 we didn't have, right? The cool thing I love about Tradeify is that, let me show you how this works right here. 20s was, we had a lot of liquidity resting up there, and it makes sense that we had more shorts coming in to reshort it that missed the initial flush. So that's what we're eyeing at those 20s, and we nailed it. Perfect rejection at those 20s. So here's what's cool. Oh, it's still processing. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's still waiting to process one account, I guess. There we go. So what's cool about Tradeify is like it's total instant gratification on this thing. Check this out. Look at this. There's our trade already updated. 5 trades. We had 1 trade per 5 accounts to make $2,000. That puts us in Tradeify on the month at $28,000. Isn't that awesome? And we've been trading now for 7 trading days. So 3 more trading days, we get a payout. Very happy about that. That's gonna be nice. Love that. And this thing is built in to Tradeify. I don't have to pay anything extra for this. How sweet is that? On a 2-day hot streaks, almost 80% win rate on our trades. Very, very cool. Right now, 100K accounts are $45 with code RIPS. So, cool stuff. Cool stuff. We are putting in new lows here, new pre-market lows, sort of. What's the max account allowed? At Apex, 20 accounts. At Tradeify, 5 accounts. 5 accounts on Tradeify. Do you see how dangerous these bounces and pops are? Check out Bookmap right here. Do you see how dangerous this can be? Because if you're adding down here you're going to get popped up 10 points. That's going to hurt per contract in the NQ. If you're trading the minis, that's $200. And look at that, even higher now, 15 handle. It gets very dangerous when you're shorting down lower, and that's why we exited the Tradeify trade. That's why we exited the Apex trade, because there's a high level of unpredictability when you're coming down into these ranges. The other thing you want to watch too, it'll be very helpful. Look at the bounce, insane, right? 20 handles now. The S&Ps, look at this. What happened to the S&Ps? Well, it's a clear double bottom. All right, S&Ps, we're looking for 5666, devil's number. But they're seeking liquidity. Where's that liquidity? It's nestled right here. Further liquidity up higher, right here. So you just have to be careful. You know, if you're finding yourself waiting until the last minute and shorting, maybe you're waiting for the market and not chasing momentum properly. So think about it, analyze your trade, see where you can improve. I like to scale into trades if we're at precarious areas of the market like we did on that Tradeify trade. Scaling into trades works because it gives you a fighting chance if you don't have a perfect entry, right? If we're chasing momentum, we're looking for a trade to the downside. We're obviously looking for the market to roll. If we're catching on a first bounce and we already unloaded our entire clip into that move, let's say we're trading max size of 5 contracts. If I just go 5 hot and heavy right there at the lows, we're not going to give ourselves a fighting chance. At the 720s, let me show you. Right here was the prior reflex at the 720s, and we had some resting liquidity that hadn't been taken yet. And so the market's going to seek that liquidity, and what happens is that we have more sellers up there than we have buyers that are going to push through, and you can see it on that initial push up through. Look at how many offers were stacked there. And the moment that I saw that offer get tapped into, I'm adding. And as we bring it down a little bit lower, I'm adding to that momentum. Could have added on that pop, but we took it out right there, right? We took it out right around there at that first kerfuffle, and then we're done with the trade. We got started into that trade late because we're looking for more momentum moves like this to the downside. Yes, it can keep coming, but I only want to get into that trade slowly so that when we do get the level that we know that is likely to reject, that's where we're putting on most of the risk of the trade. Does that make sense? Most of the risk is coming on with levels that we have predicted, but we're also not missing out on the opportunity to catch the momentum of the trade in case we do get more of this move to the downside. So we're giving ourselves opportunity both ways. That's not the straight to funded though, right? Yeah, this is straight to funded, baby. This is it. This is, where is it? Right there, straight to funded. This is straight to funded right here. I did not have to go through the funding stage. $28,000. Every single trade that we've put on has count, which is the coolest part. Right? Straight to funded is not, no, the $45 promotion is for the 100K Growth Pro or something like that. Wow, we are really coming down now. My goodness. Holy. That's wild. And we broke that key point in the S&Ps. We are seeing rollage from Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, Nvidia. Apple's really unwinding down here. Wow. You know what's funny is like I still think there's a good chance that we could be trading like at 21,000 by the end of the day. Something crazy like that. I know, it seems ridiculous. I know. Call me an optimist, but I've seen crazy things in these markets before. I've seen some crazy things in this market. You know? It's wild. This is the, somebody was asking about the consistency and stuff like that. Let me bring this up here. Everything is great in their dashboard. It kind of shows you everything that you need to see, right? So there's the account balance that I have. I don't know if this is updated yet, is it? I don't know if that's updated, but no, that hasn't updated. Oh, these take until the end of the day to update. So my consistency should be met by the end of today. You have to have a 20% consistency. I have 20.54. So my consistency will be met by the end of the day. So you just want to make sure, I mean, it's very clear. This is a great thing about Tradeify. You have any questions, just hover over what it says. Profit required to reach 20%. Consistency 8893. Consistency resets when the payout is approved. So you want to do your biggest day divided by your total profit since your payout. That's it. Boy, we are coming lower here, aren't we? Wowzers. That's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. And we still are rolling epically down here. It looks like we're going to be going for that Monday low. S&Ps are probably going to be going for right around 56, 58. Somewhere in that range, I would say. 56, 58 makes a lot of sense. Still in since 742. Way to go, Ricky. Going for that 100 bagger. I love it. What am I using to copy trade on Tradeify? I'm using Tradeovate and the built-in copier, Tradeovate. And that's what this is my Tradeovate screen right here. And you can see there's all of our 5 accounts copied on our Apex over here. This is our Apex slew of accounts. Scoot this over. All 20 of our accounts, all copied exactly the same. Right. These accounts are actually pretty close to passing. These are all 156,000. Look, we got full drawdown too. Full drawdown in all of those. 156,000. So we just need $2,800 more to pass those accounts. So we're sitting pretty in our Apex accounts. Sitting pretty in our Tradeify accounts. Everything's coming up. Looking good right now. So. Let's see here. Oh, it is 9 a.m. Let's do a giveaway here. Let's do it. So on this first giveaway, I'm gonna switch up the music a little bit. Why is it like that? Does Apex allow scale in and scale out? I'm pretty sure they do. I'm almost positive they do. They got rid of that DCA rule, I believe. So I'm almost positive that you're good to go on that. Nice work there, Mr. Jack Reacher in the building. All right, let's do the giveaway here. This is for a 20-pack of accounts. Gonna make this super duper easy. Go check this out here. We did take out Monday's low there, 660s. Still rolling. All right, we're gonna do replies. One winner, you must follow me. You don't need a profile image. Minimum tweet count, any. Minimum followers is gonna be 0. Account older than 1 week. Latest tweet, any. Okay. You folks ready? You ready to do this? If you haven't done the tweet already, it's right here. All you have to do is reply to it. That's all you have to do. This is for 20. 20 Apex accounts for one person. And then if you aren't in the Twitter giveaway, we're going to do another one for people who are here for YouTube, because I'm giving away 40 accounts today. Because they are who we thought they were. Yeah, there's those 55s, huh? All right, so give you folks another couple minutes here before I click that button, that bouton. Jeez, look at this. Markets are going crazy to the downside here. This is a 10-second chart. That's why it looks so crazy. It is nuts. But I wish you all the best of luck here to win this giveaway. I hope that whoever does win this giveaway, I hope that you do indeed take good care of these accounts and make sure that You take it slow. Take it slow. You get a whole month for free on these things. Just take it super extra ultra slow. Get a whole month to pass these things. And pick an account size that's going to work for you. And remember, you do have to pay the activation fee when you do pass these things. So make sure that you're choosing your account size wisely. A lot of people like the 50K accounts. You can use the 300K accounts if you really want to. You could do the 150K. You could do the 100K static. It's your world, baby, and we're just living in it. Is Twitter handle, does it read from your Twitter post, replies, or likes, or both? Only the replies. Only if you've replied. That's it. Only if you've replied to the... I mean, this giveaway could be worth like over $1,000, right? If you use the 300K accounts, if you use the 100K statics, there's one that's super expensive. So 20x that is quite a bit, you know? I think we need a more upbeat song than this. I mean, if you're not entering, I think you're crazy. 20 accounts is like, I don't know why you wouldn't want to win that. I think you're crazy. It's like, it's almost $1,000, right? Did I tweet yet? What do you mean? It's right here. Just have to reply to that tweet. That's it. Try to make this as easy as possible, folks. I really do. And we'll see what that person wrote after it picks the winner. Does asking for Bob qualify for drawing? It doesn't. How are we entering? You just have to reply to that tweet. That's it. It's like Temu Skrillex right here. Good old Temu Skrillex. Which tweet? Come on. You guys are serious? Ah. Again, if you do win this, I really honestly want you to take it as slow as possible. You have a month. It's a long time. A lot of trading days. If you get these 20 packs and you like YOLO in one trade, I'm gonna be so sad. I want to have this be like a victory story for somebody. Literally. Like I want this, whoever wins this, and again, we're giving away 2 packs of 20 today. So if you're not in the Twitter stuff and the Twitter's too confusing, you don't know which tweet, how to reply, what time is it, what day is it, kind of thing, I'm gonna make the next giveaway very easy to win, trust me. All right, everybody. I'm gonna start rolling here. Buckle up, buckle rooskies. Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2. Well, you know, I want to wish you all good luck. I really do. As we listen to some more Temu Skrillex here. All right, I'm gonna click. Oh, I missed the button. Ah, I missed it again. Ah, I missed it again. Okay, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and good luck, everybody. Let's win. Here we go. Here we go. Oh God. Oh God. Who is it gonna be? It is FX Golfer Ron. Give it up for Ron. Headshot. Nice. Hey, and you're in chat. Yes. Let's go. He's in chat. Let's go. Let's see what he wrote first. If he wrote something like persnickety, then I'm not going to give it to him. Let's see. Let's see what he wrote, right? Let's see what he wrote. He reposted. That's nice. That's awesome. Obvious winner, so I can run it up and come visit Ribs in Las Vegas. There you go. Hey. There you go. I think that qualifies. Come on. I think that qualifies. Nice work, Ron. All right, hold on. I'm going to DM you real quick. I'm going to DM you. Let's see here. DM you over here. My man. I think that qualifies, right? Congrats. Winner 20 Apex. Boom. Okay, I'm going to send you 20 coupon codes, my friend. Okay? Just stay tuned for that. Now, don't go anywhere because we're going to do another giveaway. I have another full 20 pack of Apex accounts to give away. I'm not stopping here. 20 pack. It's gonna be a 20 pack. Not on Twitter. Now, Ron, can you make me a promise in chat? Can you make me a promise? You're gonna take it slow. You're gonna pass these accounts, and you're gonna get a payout. I know it's a tall order, but can you promise the chat that you're gonna do that? Mr. FX Golf. Okay, see, he promised. Look at that. Nice guy, Ron. All right, next giveaway. Very easy to qualify for. This is going to be a 2-step. Actually, you know, we're going to make it 3 steps. And if you ask me how to do this, I'm sorry I can't help you, but you're going to have to pay attention. There's going to be 3 steps of instructions. This is going to be a scavenger hunt, and it's going to be 3 words. Okay? It's going to be 3 words. Do not type in each word one by one. You're going to have 3 words, and you're going to combine them. Word 1, word 2, word 3. Okay? I don't know if I like this song. We're done with that one. And I don't want Christmas music. Okay. There we go. All right. Scavenger hunt time. Very easy. Very, very easy. So there's going to be 3 words for this giveaway, and they're going to be back to back. So if the keyword number 1 was prize, keyword number 2 was win, and keyword number 3 was green, you would write prize, win, green as like that. Now, that's not the keyword. Don't type it in. If you do type it in, guess what? You're not going to win. So I'm just saying, I'm going to give you 3 words on this scavenger hunt. I got to make it a little bit more difficult than it is usually, but I'm sorry if you can't follow this one. This is for 20 accounts. This is like $1,000. New way to do this. There's not going to be a single space in the word, but it's going to be 3 words. So if the first word is prize, the second word is win, and the last word is green, you just type in prize, win, green. That's all it's going to be. All right? So, step 1. We ready for step 1? And don't type it in 1 word at a time, okay? Like, people are already doing this. This is ridiculous. I'm happy that you're identifying yourselves. Okay, here's step 1, folks. Step 1. Here we go. Step 1. Step 1. Step 1, you're going to go here. Step 1. I want you to go to that website right now. Okay? I want you to look at the top of that page. Okay? Top of that page. Hold on, I got to make sure that I have the giveaway bot set up for this because this is going to go fast. I know it. And by the way, you can only type in this keyword 1 single time. 1 single time. You type it in more than once, you're disqualified from the giveaway. And I don't want to do that. Okay? I don't want to do that. Okay, first word is going to be where it says get a stream of income and unlock your blank potential. That is the first word. Blank potential. Do not type it in chat. If you do, you're going to be banned from the giveaway. Don't type it in. Don't spoil it. Okay, number 2. Word number 2. Word number 2. Word number 2. You're going to go on that website. Okay? Word number 2. Do not type it in. Okay? Scroll down. Word number 2. It says differences between take profit and blank companies. Blank companies. That is word number 2. And finally, this is number 3. Word number 3. Okay, word number 3. Scroll down on that page. It says select your trade of 8 blank. Select your trade of 8 blank. Okay? Combine those 3 words together and type it in chat right now. And if you missed it, you missed it. 1 word. 1 word. Type it in 1 single time. And that's it. That's how you win. That's it. Super simple, right? Super simple. Boop, boop, ba-doop, boop, ba-doop, ba-doop. Oh, you folks are too good. Look at that. There you go. Earning other plan. Earning other plan. That is the keyword. Earning other plan. 1 word. Type it in 1 single time. If you type it in more than once, you will be disqualified. This again is for a full 20 pack of Apex accounts. Twitter and Instagram at Selling Rips. Follow me there so I can get in touch with you. I can't message you on YouTube, so the only way I can get in touch with you is via DM on X, Twitter, or on Instagram. Oh my God, the 915 algos ate that. Num. So make sure you're following me there. I'll let you folks get these giveaways in, and I'll be right back. And I'm back already. Look at that. Just had to get one of these bad doggers. Top tap it. Very good. Get the straw in there. Earning other plan is the keyword, folks. And this is for a 20 pack of Apex accounts. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Instagram. Now, you're going to have 1 minute to claim. I'm going to roll the dice. I'm going to choose the winner. That person is going to have 1 full minute to claim. How do you claim it? Type in chat, yay, I won, whatever. Be excited about it. If you want pronto, you've been disqualified. I'm sorry. Typed it in more than once. Unfortunately, you are disqualified. I'm sorry. So all you're going to do is type in your Twitter or Instagram username, your X or Instagram username. So I would be like, yo, I won. Thank you so much. My username is Selling Rips. That's it. Simple as that. All right, we're going to draw here at 9:18. 9:18. Remember, do not type it in more than once. Tom, you are disqualified. Unfortunately, I wish I could. Look at, I can't even like requalify you. It doesn't even allow me to. Tom, you're out. The Last Egyptian King, you're out. Pronto, you're out. Meryl, you're out. Oh no. A lot of disqualifications today. You see this little this member thing? They get 10 entries. Adrian, you're out. Dang it. You get 10 entries if you have a green name in chat, by the way, which is cool. AM, you're out. Sorry, buddy. Remember, only type it in one single time, just like everybody else's. Ooh, Hilda, you're back. Hilda won earlier this week. Wouldn't that be crazy if Hilda won again? The other thing is make sure you're caught up all the way to the video. Right now it is 9:17 and 16 seconds. Make sure you are caught up to real time. This is for 20 free Apex accounts, any size, any size. I'm going to send you 20 coupons. They work for any size. You don't have to use them all at once, by the way. That's the beauty of this. You do not have to use them all at once. You can trade them one at a time. These coupons don't even expire until December 31st, 2025. So you don't even have to like use them all right now. I'm giving you 20 coupons, any account size. Like, how cool is that? How cool is that? You don't even have to use 20 at once. You can do them one at a time. These are 20 separate coupon codes that I'm going to send to you that expire on December 31st, 2025. I don't know how it can be better than that. Like, how can I possibly do anything better than that? I thought about it. I'm like, I don't know if I can. If I can, then who knows? Okay. Here we go, folks. If this person, tell you what, I'm gonna make a deal with you right now. If this person accepts and they get their giveaway correctly, I'm gonna draw 5 more people after this, and each person is gonna get a free Apex account, any size. Who is this guy? Who is this guy? Like, what? I swear to God, I've lost my mind this morning. It's Friday. It's Friday, baby. Woo! All right, let's do this. Let's do this. I said I was going to do it at 9:18. It's 9:19. Let's do this. Here we go, folks. Good luck, everybody. I wish you all the best. I want you to win. Let's make this happen. 20 free Apex accounts, any size you want. Let's go. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 575 lucky souls here. Here we go. And 1 and WD in the building. I think WD is a channel member. WD, just claim it. You got 1 minute on the clock here. Just say, hey, I won something. WD, you got 1 minute to claim. 1 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute for 20 free Apex accounts. Now 40 seconds. Now 40 seconds. Oh no, 30 seconds. WD. Oh no, 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 no. Don't, not like this. Not like this, please God. 20, yeah! Okay, yeah, you said it already, it didn't come through. What, just say my username is X, or whatever. My X username is, oh God. Oh, scared the crap out of me. Somebody's like, no. Come on, I mean, dude, you see what's on the screen. I don't see anything. Tell me, what is it? What is it? What's your username? But send it again. I get that you're saying, but it's getting blocked by the spam filter. Just tell me what it is, please. Don't use the @ symbol. Yeah, don't use the @ symbol. Just type in whatever it is. Don't put the @ sign. Please. Please, please, please. Come on, WD. Like my username it's there and it's not. No. Please, God. WD, please. Please. I can't contact you unless I know your username. Order. Okay, there you go. There you go. Yay. Okay, there we go. You can see what I see. Like, it's not, you know, I'm not trolling. This has got to be on Instagram, right? Boop, boop, boo, boom. Do, doop, doop. Okay, order dot filled. Yeah, there you are, my guy, WD. My guy, yes. I love you, buddy. We talk all the time, too, on Instagram. Yes, thank you, thank you. Congrats. 20 free Apex. Bang! You know what that means? It means I got 5 more. 5 more to give away. Should we just do it? We got 9 more minutes, 8 more minutes till the open. Let's do another one. I'm gonna catch you off guard. I'm not even gonna tell you when I click the button. Oh, I already did it, AS! You're the winner for 1 free Apex account. Got a minute to claim. What is your username? Bingo bango, let's go, baby. Let's blow these out. The faster we do this, the more I'm gonna give away. Shoot, I might even give away more than 5. Yes, it is you. I know it's you. Hello. I love the reaction. Always the first message is the best message. Like, it's me. No. July Peppers, they follow me. Yes, I won. You did. Now do the thing where we do the username. I love this part of the show. It's the best. I love it. It's me. I won. Yes, it is. Hey, there you go. Hey, look at that. Let's see. Are you on X? Let's see. You might be on. Okay, on X, you don't follow me. Let's. Gotta check right now on Instagram. Check the old Instagram here. Trying to make this as easy as possible. Let's see. Bad news, my friend. There's no Instagram account. Oh, 2 S's. Okay. Let's see that. Okay. You don't follow me on Instagram. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Okay, all right. Okay, you do follow me. Oh, wow, saved by the bell. Okay, let me message you. Free Apex account. Free one free, whoop. One free Apex account. Okay, cool. There you go. And I'm gonna catch you off guard with this next one. Dude, Michael, you're blowing it. Diego, you're blowing it. Stop typing in the keyword. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and brat! End decider. End decider. Where are you at, buddy? Got a minute to claim, my friend. 1 free Apex account coming your way if you claim in the next 50 seconds. Hello, how are you? Good to see you. What might be your username, my friend? Why not me? I don't know, Adam. I don't know. I'll search and see if you're disqualified or not. All right, I gotta put you on the clock. You got a minute to claim, End decider. X is under Indecider. Okay, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's see. And you do follow me. Let's go. Yes. All right. One free Apex account. Oh my God, the market is rolling. Holy cow, the market is rolling heavily. Jeez Louise, they're giving up a lot of puntos here. We're at the very low end of the S&P, so if we did actually break below, this would be extraordinary. Or the gram. I love it. Thank you so much, buddy. Congratulations to you. That leaves us with 3 accounts to give away. Adam was asking, are you in this thing? Let's see. Adam, yeah, you're in. You're locked in. Okay, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wouldn't that be funny if Adam won now? There we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tom W in the building. Tom W. You're the next winner for a free Apex account. Dude, I'm giving away so many accounts today. 50 seconds to claim, Tom. Look at that. Instantly. All right, LFG. I love it. Let's flip and go. What is that username? What's it at? Where's it at? Yeah. Come on down. I can't add you back in. If I could, I would. Believe me. All right, Tom, got to put you on the clock. 1 minute to claim here. 1 minute to claim. Come on down. Boop, 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 boop. Tom, 45 more seconds. Typed it. Yeah, I know. We're running the same thing. You got to say my username is that without the @ symbol. There we go. Yeah, without the @ I think people are doing it with the @ symbol. Let's see if it's on. Okay, it's got to be on Instagram then. Let's see. Hopefully you're on Instagram because that name is not on Twitter. Yes, you do follow me. Yes, on Instagram. Beautiful. Congrats. 1 free Apex account. Cool. Yes. All right, we have 3 minutes till the open. We're going to put the giveaway on pause. I'm going to give away, what do we have? 2 more accounts to give away? 3? I don't know. Let's just give away some more accounts. But let's see if we can trade this market here off the open, shan't we? Let's see. Let's see if we can do what it do, baby. Let's see. I'm gonna go back to the 1 minute chart here. Maybe in the 5. Wow, what a roll. Crazy town. Just down code on Tradeify isn't working. It's code RIPS, baby, without the quotation marks. Code RIPS, R-I-P-S. RIPS. Oh my God, look at this. We are 2 minutes, 15 seconds till the open here, folks. 2 minutes, 15 seconds. Wow. The market is going bonkers. It's going bananas. Yeah, this is a big area of inflection in the S&P specifically, so it's going to take a lot to break on through, and we might just bounce here and run it up all day. There's still 596 of you that are in the giveaway, so we're going to do some giveaways after we trade the open here. See if we can risk it to get the biscuit here off the open. It's going to be very tricky to trade this, but we're going to try our best. You're going to have to be careful because there can be a massive, massive God candle up or down when you're in a trade, so just be careful out there. Should I chart on the mini NQ and trade from micro? Yeah, that's totally fine. Totally fine. Totally fine. No. Don't start typing RIPS. RIPSmod is talking about the Tradeify code. That's just for if you want a discount on Tradeify. All right, we are 1 minute until the open here, folks. 1 minute, uno minuto. Good luck, everybody. I hope you have a beautiful trading day today. Let's try our best. It's gonna be tricky as all heck here to trade. Yep, I'm playing poker at 10 this morning, so trying to keep my mind rested here. But let's see what happens. That long off of 610 is paying quite nicely. I think shorts might be looking to cover down here, unless they break lower. You want to know if you're in the list? Let me see. Belk. Okay. Yep, you're in. You are in, my friend. You are in there like swimwear, baby. I do see your messages, Cash, now. Believe it. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Markets are open. Let's see if shorts can pull this down lower, if we're going to have shorts covering down here. Right now, we are having some trouble getting out of this gully of despair. I'm going to try a long here to get out of here. If we did perk out above 75, this could be very, very strong to the upside. So that's what I'm looking for here. If not, we will stop out. Okay, target would be like 710 on this trade. Watching. Nice pull up here. All right, gonna take that off. There we go. Hey, we doubled our score. Wow, the S&Ps are rallying here. There's your 710s. Oh my goodness, S&Ps are going bonkers. Oh my God. That puts us up a little bit over 4,000 there. Now those 710s are trading out. I wonder if we're actually going to reject maybe 720s again. Remember, 720s were that big level. There's that 710. Wow, did we call that or what? 710's first rejection. My God. I do like to get out early on these trades just so I can guarantee the puntos that I had. We were trading one contract on that to make, you know, $450 or so. Anybody catch that open long ripper to 710? If you did, drop a W in chat. Let's see it. See if the Rips Raiders caught anything. Let's see. Let's see. Nice. Look at that. You know what we call that here in the clubhouse? You know what we call that.
That's what we call a sack lunch.
That's exactly right. We do call that a sack lunch. And you are officially part of the sack lunch gang if you did catch that. The SLG, baby. Sack lunch gang. So that's cool. I'm pretty happy about that. That is dope. That might be all I trade today, to be honest with you. That just might be it for me. That freaking, wow, 710, just chef's kiss right there. And somebody's like, how'd you know 710? Well, you read order flow, my friend. It's a powerful thing. Everybody thinks order flow is witchcraft. Dude, I'm telling you, how do you call 710 then? How do you do it if you don't have order flow in your arsenal? You know what I mean? Gotta have order flow in your arsenal. It's one of the best ways to read the market. I love it. Where is the journal? I want to see this thing updated. Bad dogger, come on down. Wow, look at that rejection. We are almost 100 points off those highs now. Those New York session highs. Yowza. Holy smokes. It's going to be rinsey and washy today, folks. Know that. Okay, see what I'm talking about? You remember what I said at the top of the call? I said, be careful if you're in a trade, there could be God candles. That qualifies right there for a God candle if you were short. Oh my God, imagine if you were late. We call them God candles because you look at it and you say, oh my God. Also known as a pucker candle. This is why I say be careful. Take your puntos and enjoy them today. That's one thing my grandma used to say at the dinner table. She said, Repsy, take your puntos and shove it. She didn't really. But I imagine that's what the conversation would have been like if she was an order flow reading grandmother. Yeah, she said, take your puntos, p***o. Why does that bleep? My AI bleeper is... Oh, wow, I can't even say that? That's crazy. Oh my gosh, I can't even say that either. That's crazy. It's literally faster on the Spanish than it is on the English. That's crazy. A la Oh, goodness. That's funny. Oh, goodness. Goodness. Wow, dude, like this market has got me tripped up here. As bad as I want to take a follow-up trade here, it's like that God candle is like, Rips, you dodged a bullet, you took your puntos, and you should be happy with it. Well, I'm still watching the order flow here. This is crazy. I want to trade so bad, but I'm staying out of it. I'm staying out of it. Edgar says, how do you know all the... He says, ¿Cómo sabes todas estas palabras? No sé. ¿Por qué me llamo Ripsy Hasul? That's why. Está la verdad. Nevada is still pretty close to Mexico. Yeah, I've heard that. You know, I've actually heard that. Have a great day. Play poker today, Rips. Have a great weekend. All G-Lines, I hope you don't win the next giveaway. I got to give away soon here. I got to give it away. Trading in all Spanish would be more entertaining. I think we'd alienate a few of the folks in here. That was Latin soap opera. Oh, that's funny. All right, let's do another giveaway. Free Apex account. I got 2 more to give away. I've been looking at this market, seeing if I'm going to trade it. But, you know, I don't know. I'm happy. Look, let me pull up the journal. I'm happy. I should be happy, right? Right? Bro, look at this. Oh, come on. Now I'm happy. I just looked at my numbers. I never look at my numbers when I'm trading, and this is the reason why. Because it gives you tingles and jingles down in your plums. But look at this. Look. Ding, 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 ding. 80% win rate, 30K on the month, 4.2 on the day. Headshot. That's what I'm talking about. Whoa, that's what I'm talking about. What software is that? This is Tradeify. It comes with every single Tradeify account that you, this literally comes with every single Tradeify account. Isn't that cool? It's built in, bebé. Puedo sentirlo en mis cuernos. How do you say? What is plum? Now I can't even remember the word for plums. What the? How do I not know the word for plums anymore? Guyones, that's Italian. Like actual plums. Isn't it like ciruelas or quireles? I can't even remember now. Ciruelas. Okay, thank you. But I guess you'd say, puedo sentirlo en mis pelotas or huevos. Huevos. Random word to know. Dude, you live in California, you're close to the border. There's a lot of fruit to buy. It's delicious. Best fruit you'll ever buy. ¿Cuántos por las ciruelas? You know? You got to remember this stuff. You get words tangled up because I'm thinking like cuerpo, you know? How much for your body? Imagine saying that to a fruit vendor. Oh my God. Imagine saying that. Getting plums and cuerpo mixed up would be pretty funny. Yeah. Anyway, all right, let's do another giveaway here. That was fun. We're having a good time. All right, everybody. This is for a free Apex account. For everybody still sticking around, I appreciate you. We're going to be doing no more trading today. I feel like we did some good things today. We had some fun. We had some W's in chat. This market is going to be really, really difficult until the end of the day. So here we go, everybody. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You get 1 minute to claim. What is your X or Instagram username? Here we go. It is Midland Trader. Oh my goodness, channel member, I think, too. Midland Trader in the building. Dude, A-Trades, are you serious? What the heck? How good are you? Can I share that on stream? That's inspiring. Can I please share that on stream, dude? Please, please, please. Please, please, please. Thank you. Midland Trader, boom, with the boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. I want you with. That was the Venga brothers, wasn't it? Los Vengas hermanos. Vengos hermanos. Not Vengas. Vengos. Midland Trader on both. Cool. Hold on. Let me get this open here so I can share that too. Let me make. I know that you're following me, but I just got to double check. Yeah, you do. Give it up for Midland Trader. Free Apex account for you. Wait, what? There it is. Congrats. One free Apex. Bang! All right, let's do another one. Forget it. Let's do another one. Forget you. We're going to do another one. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and boom. JBZ Capital in the building. Building. Talk to me. Talk to me. Tell me dirty things about how you want to win. That didn't make sense. Is Trade of 8 freeze for anybody else? It's good for me, I think. Let me see. No, it's working for me. All right, JBZ, you might have left, so we're going to re-roll this at 1 minute if you don't claim it. Here we go, everybody. Here we go. 30 more seconds for JBZZ for Sheezy to claim their prize. $20 more seconds. This is good for you re-rollers out there that love the re-roll. Well, that's waiting to happen. I wanted to show you this. This is one of the folks here in Discord. Check this out. Look at that. What a month. Can we give it up? That's our friend A-Trades here in Discord. Holy smokes, that's a good streak. How sick is that? I'd be super proud of that if I were you, and you should be, buddy. 4.4K on the month. Let's go. Yeah, baby. All right, JBZ, you missed your turn. Here we go. Re-roll it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ray Williams in the building. Ray Williams, you have won a free Apex account. I'll give away one more after this. We'll do Ray and then one more. 50 seconds. Do. Too many trades to make 200. Yeah, 3 whole trades to make $200. I know they're over trading for sure, right? It's in the micros, by the way. Yeah, they're crushing. They are crushing. Ray Williams, where you at? Oh my goodness, I can't believe people won and then they left. If the next person doesn't claim, I'm just going to regenerate the keyword and then we're going to do it all over again. But we're not going to make it crazy scavenger hunt. Just very simple. Oh, there you are. Okay, what's your username? Wow, dude, you were... Yeah. What's your username? Whew, so close, dude. So close. Somebody was like, he's probably in the bathroom and he's like heard the stream. He's probably got it on his TV or something. Ray Wills, let's see. This song is a banger, by the way. I used to be able to do that. Let's see. Let me check on Instagram here. I used to be able to. Anybody used to do that in class? Funny. Wow, we are coming off those bottoms right now. My goodness. Let's see. Gotta pull you up on a G. You follow me. Good job, Ray. All right, let's send you a message here. One free Apex. Boom. Sick. All right, last one. And this is dealer's choice. You can either pick a free month of Clubhouse or a free Apex any size. Ooh, that's a nice shirt. I love that. Here we go. Rolling rich cutting. Better than cheap cutting. Rich. Rich. Next up to the stage, it's Ginger. Anyway. Come on, Rich. Hey, look at that, how fast that was. Work it. Love that. Let's see. There you go. And you do follow me. Give it up. What would you like, sir? Free MC or free Apex? It's your choice. Pick one. Congrats. What would you like? What would you like? This is sick. Apex, gotcha. Congrats, one free. Apex, all right, everybody. That was good times. I had a good time. I actually have to work out and then get ready to go to Bellagio, but gonna hang out for a little bit more, see if there's any other interesting things happening in this market here. I think locking our accounts is gonna be a good thing for the day. We made money in Apex. How much did we make in Apex? Wow, look at, we're about the same. That's Apex, that's Tradeify. Is it better one or two? Better one, better two. Apex, Tradeify. So Apex, we made a total, let's see, let's do a little tally here. Okay, so Apex, we did 895.70 times 20 accounts. This market's so scary right now. And then we take that number, we carry the one, we did 843.92 times 5. We made, wait, that's not right. I did the multiplication. No. Plus that. Wait, no. Okay, 17. All right, try this again. 843.92 times 5. Take that number. And then look at our Apex was 895.70 times 20 accounts plus, hey, $22,133.60. Yahtzee. Let's go. Dude, Tesla's on a tear right now. You see this up at 242 right now. Nvidia's trying to figure itself out. Microsoft's going back up. If this thing trades 21,000 by the end of the day, I wouldn't be too surprised, but man, that would be crazy for triple witching, huh? That would be pretty crazy. This thing is gonna rip ribs. You know, it could, it very well could. I just don't think I want to be along for the ride. I would be happy to just lock up here. And I think that's what I'm gonna do. I like the trade that we caught for that opening rip. That was nice. That seemed pretty smooth to me. Look at this. This was our opening trade. Took one contract long 668. We covered right there. 691. Hey, 20 points. Can't be wrong with 20 points. FX Golfer says, good day, Ribs. Got to go. Congratulations to FX Golfer. Winning the 20 pack.
That's what we call a sack lunch.
Num. Very good. Love it. But yeah, I mean, I'm pretty much done for the day here. If you want to get some Apex accounts, by the way, the deal for 80% off does actually end today at midnight. It will go back to 71% after that. So if you do want to get yourself some Apex accounts, just keep that in mind. If you don't, there's plenty of other options out there if you're trading props. Plenty of other options. There's Tradeify, TBT, MFFU. There's a lot of different options. Spread your wings, baby. Spread your wings. How do I get the coupon? Just type in code RIPS. During checkout, code RIPS will get you 80% off any account size. We're over 700s here and still motoring. This is crazy because I think that this could be the beginning of the launch that Manny was talking about. Manny Ha in chat. He said this thing is going to rip ribs. Very well could. I could see it. All right, y'all. I hope y'all have a good weekend out there. If you are going to party, don't party too hard. I promise you. It's going to be a good weekend if you don't party too hard. You don't want to end up Sunday sitting there saying, what did I do? I've been there. What happened? Where are we? What country are we in? Where are we? So be good this weekend. Don't party too hard. If you are going to drink, don't drink and drive. Don't be a knucklehead. Call an Uber, call a Lyft. Be good this weekend. I want to see you back here on Monday, 8 a.m. And you know what? If we do get some likes on Monday's stream, I will be giving away some more stuffs. I got more Tradeify accounts to give away. I got anything you want. I'll give you anything you want. You tell me, I'll give it to you. It's what I'm here for, folks. Not only to entertain, but to educate, to have a good time, and hang out in the mornings. It makes for a good morning. You folks out there really do brighten my morning, so I appreciate it very much. Hanging out here with you is the best. We have a core group here that is excellent. A lot of like-minded traders in here that are all looking for the same thing, to make money from these crazy markets, which I love. I love it. All right, folks in Discord, don't go anywhere. Folks on YouTube, folks on X, we're going to be ending it here and now. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Be good. I'll see ya back here on Monday, 8 a.m. Eastern Time, 5 a.m. Pacific, 7 a.m. Central Time. Good luck, everybody. Be good. Remember, that final hour today is going to be a wild one, so take care. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye.